So go ahead and introduce yourself.
I'm JF Money, or Dead Prezidentz. We came to the open mic to perform.
I'm Ben Franks, B-E-E-N Franks. You know what I'm talking about, Dead Prezidentz. Check out our Instagram, Dead Prezidentz, Yahoo, Dead Prezidentz1, deadpresidentz.wix.com/BFrank100. You know what I'm saying? Check us out.
Oh yeah, looking all in green. Bros doing numbers on the triple B. The way that we lock up, we gon' kill the street. I hit the blunt and pass the sweet.
Got latex gloves on, this ain't no PO
He might.
I done got out so much shit, Lord know he's different.
Amen.
Took out one glove just to hit the sweet.
Sweet.
Heard that little boozy, that's my phone ring.
Hey.
Look, that my phone, this ain't 23.
Ain't 23.
Look, that my nigga bagging up some green.
It's green.
Got him wrong, got him like who could it be?
Who is it?
This nigga talking bad, he won't have it.
Half a B.
Hey,
Look at my watch, this ain't 23.
hey, 23.
Look.
What's up, everybody? I'm Peacadelic. I am here at the Boiler Room for the open mic tonight, and I look forward to spreading the peace and the psychedelic, amazing, happy vibes.
Nice.
You want to say a few words? You want to introduce yourself?
Oh, I'm Peacadelic. I am a transcendental space goat, psychedelic hip hop artist from Dallas, Texas. And I got some rhymes from the soul. This one's called the Rain Song. If you can put your peace fingers in the air, represent the peace and love worldwide. All nations, one love. Have y'all ever had one of those days where you stepped outside and you were feeling a little dry on the inspiration and the rain nourished your mind? This is a song about the rain. This one's called the Rain Song. Rain, nourishing life. From you we grow with the fresh crisp vibes. Breathing in deep, hear jazz music in the street. And the rain chimes and feel this gift when I breathe. Cause now I dance in the rhythm shines when we play. Lime green balls and a smile to the day. Nourishing life in the flowers of the gym. Rain blooms creativity, botanics. Chilling in the sunshine, breathing in the rain. Chilling with my homies, giving thanks for the day. Birds singing fresh melodies with the bees. Graffiti flowers shine in the garden, so do these. Maybe do some touching with your girl and give a love. But send it right back to the world, God is love. Yeah, remember when you needed she was feeling kinda dry. Let go of the worries, the rain will nourish your mind. May the rain nourish all living beings. May the rain straight up nourish our life. May the rain bring peace to the new world. Thank you, rain, and may it spring up new life. May the rain nourish all living beings. May the rain straight up nourish our life. May the rain bring peace to our new world. Thank you, rain, and may it spring up new life. Repeat, funky bass drops, blue space and dewdrops pointed up in clouds in the sky. That one's fresh, up, man. Now let's pick and flick it, and it starts to rain. So we dance around up with the water, sing and celebrate. Hula hoop and goddess, get water with the earth. I see a bloom in the eyes, baby. Girl, peace be with you. Walking through the city with the deep breath of the crisp air. Saying what's up to our homies rolling everywhere. Hey, unifies nourishment. We are all one, chilling with the divine reflection of just one sun. Love, light, peace, rhyme, harmony, and color bliss. Bumping fresh ass rhymes with some fresh ass graffiti kicks. Dragonfly, funky color rhymes, what a great night. Rainbow celebration in the sky reflected with our tribe. May our community change the world through this rain prayer. May we bring the nourishment, the light, chi, and the fresh air. May the rain nourish all living beings. May the rain straight up nourish our life. May the rain bring peace to our new world. Thank you, rain, and may it spring a new life. May the rain nourish all living beings. May the rain straight up nourish our life. May the rain life. Yeah, yeah. Just remember when you need that you were feeling kinda dry. Let go of the worries, the rain will nourish your mind. Just remember when you need that you were feeling kinda dry. Let go of the worries, now will nourish your mind. Just remember when you need that you were feeling kinda dry. Let go of the worries, the rain will nourish your mind. Just remember when you need that you were feeling kinda dry. Let go of the worries, the rain will nourish your mind. Nourish your mind. Relax the mind, relax the mind, everything's alright. Relax the mind, everything's alright. Yeah. Woo!
That was a nice try.
Yeah, I also do drawings, and I have drawings that are readily available. I'm working with an organization called Save the Children, helping kids out in Malawi. If anyone wants to donate for some bomb-ass paper murals, let me know.
Nice.
I might want to hit you up on that.
I try.
I'm all down for drawings. I'm all down for drawings.
What up? Money Mo, D-Way, Ness,
Finesse, NRA. You know, we at the boiler room, gonna kick a couple flows, you know, drop a couple songs.
NRA representing, gonna do our little thing. Check us out later on.
Yes, sir. Got paid us out the back. Shout out to Cali D.
Yeah, NRA. Broadway, man, let's drop this knowledge to them,
Smoking, clouds head choking, twist up, blow it. Don't talk about it, just be about it. I wanted what I came for, cause money is the main goal. Wanted what I came for, talk about it, just be about it. Clouds head smoking, clouds head choking, twist up, blow it. Don't talk about it, just be about it. I wanted what I came for, cause money is the main goal. Wanted what I came for. I want commas, no drama. Run up, you catch a llama. No fantasy, you got problems. I came from the bottom. Black door, red car. Hit the bus, don't stay far. Keep a day job and move A's on. Lost a few, but I play hard. I lost in the same shoes as my brother there. Who you be around with the rubber in? Got trouble in. Adapt to the game, the hustling. No fashion, I'm rapping like a wrestling. Get the clap in. Start attacking like a bottle, you get a crackling. All dreams, no direction. Trying to flip right, but no connection. NRA be the next shit. Buck a lot of your death, bitch. Said I'm back smoking, clouds head choking, twist up, rolling. Don't talk about it, just be about it. I wanted what I came for. Money is the main quote. Wanted what I came for. Talk about it, just be about it. Said I'm back smoking, clouds head choking. Don't talk about it, just be about it. I wanted what I came for. Money is the main quote. Wanted what I came for. Don't talk about it, just be about it. In the back of the alley, that was about 9-7 or about 9-8. Pops had a town hall with the fog lights in the purple run. First boulevard, I wanted to shine. Like diamonds, you holding the light. No string here when I'm flowing the night. Highs a kite in the moment of the night. Need a moment to light up the day. Yeah, no, I'm alive. The J's here. It's like going in the desert with. That make no sense, keep the flow fit, yeah the flow's here. There's clouds play, don't go there. Get my money tall like 19. Then you probably cool when the table turn. No, I'm not a fool, I make a hater learn what I'm trying to do. Talk shit, get trash done. Put them down, it's has to do, yeah we had to do it. Go in our A, smoking, clouds head choking, twist up, roll it. Don't talk about it, just be about it. I wanted what I came for, cause money is the main quote. What I came for. Don't talk about it, just be about it. Loud pass smoking, clouds hair choking, twist up, blow it. Don't talk about it, just be about it. I wanted what I came for, cause money is the main quote. Wanted what I came for. Yeah. Crack the blunt and roll the green. Light it up, I'm in the scene. I'm getting there, my head long, I keep it clean. Represent, my name is Mo. Push the wheels, flip the flow. We hustlers, about it, just be about it.
You know what I mean? I hope y'all feeling that. My band on the mic situation. You know what I mean? NRA, you can fuck with us on SoundCloud. NRA worldwide, because we're just trying to take from Dallas to worldwide.
Money Tree mixtape out, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Check that out. Check that out.
Yeah, appreciate the young ones coming through. Hey, Poetic Taboo in the building.
We in this bitch. We
Yeah, this for everybody in this round.
Y'all know what life is the beach?
Shit, we just kicking up our feet.
Closing your eyes, inhale the smoke. A couple shots and I'm in control. That good grass got me off the boat. That wind breeze that be off the coast. I said yellow girl Spanish, she said oh like your way. And I'm feeling back, she gon' hit me back and I'm coming home with me. Life is a beach and I don't give a fuck who plays. I ain't even tripping, I got feet on my face.
Yeah, roll up with me. Yeah, I roll up with you. Sport that good treat, cause you know I stay true. I all on my green, I ain't worried about nothing. Kick it up in that sand, cause life is a beach.
I tell them life is
a beach.
Life is a
beach.
Life is a beach. I'm just kicking up my feet.
I am.
Life is a beach. Life is a beach. Life is a beach. I'm just kicking up my feet. Yeah. In the morning, sun shining, I'm yawning. Palm trees. Life is a beach. Living a dream. Compete. Stay on the scene. I'm chill, hitting the green. Models and chopped drinks on the rocks is what it seems to be. It ain't a thing to me. We blow. Got hoes, different area codes, you know. Inject islands, diamonds, luxury salad. First class pockets, we overseas, living in knowledge. We go
roll up with me, roll up with you. Spark that good treat, cause you know I stay true. All on my green, I ain't worried about nothing. Kick it up in that sand, cause life is a beach.
I tell them life is a beach. Life is a beach.
That's all we do.
Life is a beach. I'm just kicking up my feet. Life is a beach. Life is a beach. Life is a beach. I'm just kicking up my feet.
Man, life is a beach. Spark up in trees. Chillin' back in the haircuts. I'ma get it on like this. Pick it up and drop it off. Give me that. I'ma pick it up. Fucking nigga we talk about. We get it on like oh what? Oh God. Wait a minute. Money flowing in on A. Freestyle up top dome. That's live shit. Nigga know what? Say hold up. Wait a minute. That's that drone. Smoking. Yeah. Fucking nigga talking in on A. That's that coke.
Life is a beach. Life is a beach. Life is a beach. I'm just kicking up my feet. Life is a beach. Life is a beach. Life is a beach. I'm just kicking up my feet. Yeah.
Shout out to Cali D, you know what I mean? Shout out to
Cali D.
That's that interaction. I appreciate y'all coming out.
It's recording.
What's happening, world? It's the Craziac. Shouts out to Cali D, Right Round Productions. It's going down, man. We live music, baby. Dallas Fort Worth, we in here. Get done. Going down. Yes, man. Let's have some fun, y'all.
Sure.
This one's called Final Ferocious Fight for Freedom. Yes, man. It just happened.
Yeah. No hesitation, just relate. My occupation inside this place is a normal sapient. No displacement, making statements like making statements, no special facing. Oh no, wait, man. Conversations of them replacing our generation with no time wasting. They segregation and elimination. The education to the congregation is the elevation of this federation. No more patience, no relations, no medication. Let me get your patience. Now after thorough examination, the information leads to preparation of annihilation. Through contaminations, infiltrations, and invasion. Careful observation, no was it just my imagination? We need an evacuation from this situation with acceleration. Lord, lead me from temptation, I'm covered by your salvation. Seems their motivation for manipulation is really devastation. The revolution turned revelation, they trying to make one nation. Retaliation, demonstration, run up on Sophia stages. 3, 2, 1, detonation, not that is liberation. There ain't a place that I'll go. then it'll just take control. What if I stand and say no, 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 no? This weight is taking its toll. I'm staying alive. Lord, please save my soul. Crazy life, I say no, no, no. There's no distinction between those who are sober and those who are drinking. Idiocracy and those who thinking. Pay close attention how I chose to lean. That's right. Hop off the boat if you oppose to singing. If the fire's in the hand, you're supposed to extinguish. 7 million people on planet Earth, still somehow we close to extinction. Smells fishy, hell yeah, it stinks, man. Could it be that we already reached the brink? Damn. But we barely even got here. How the hell the arm already revealed that it's got some chick, man? I see y'all blinking, scared that the girl is turning pink hands. Instead of they be shrinking. Lost in the sauce, what y'all ain't linked in? Catch up first. Then we can start to sink it. Looks like the need of a navigator. Go on, baby, and follow that linking. Make it do like Rodney, Martin Luther with Boston Kingston. Fight for the freedom, man. Full stop geeking. Yeah. Stop geeking. Yeah. And geeking. Keep your peace and reach them. Let's learn them good, give them a teach. And only weekend. Don't hesitate, cause this is a weekend. We about to sneak in and start the fireworks this evening. There ain't no place that I'll go. If I stay inside, then they'll just take control. What if I stand and say no, 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 no? This weight is taking its toll. Lord, please save my soul. I have to fucking say no, no, no. Got your protection 'cause it's on your direction. It's where they're headed 'cause it's on your possessions 'cause it's on, it's on, it's on. Put up your weapons, grab your protection 'cause it's on in your direction. It's where they're headed 'cause it's on, it's those that's precious in your possessions 'cause it's on, it's on, it's on. Put up your weapons, grab your protection 'cause it's on in your direction. It's where they're headed 'cause it's on, it's those that's precious in your possessions 'cause it's on, it's on, it's on. Load up your weapons, grab your protection 'cause it's on in your direction. It's where they're heading 'cause it's on, it's those that's precious in your possessions 'cause it's on, it's on, it's on. World war, yeah, world war. Yeah, this is world war. Yeah, world war. Yeah, this is world war.
Yo, what's up, man? It's Kool BRZ, straight out of Funky Town. Be on the lookout for the coolest project coming soon. Hopefully March. I haven't put a specific date on it, but yeah, Funky Town.
Independent mind state, I got that. Illinois, I be in the win. I really killing the boys. I'm back at it again. Drop get cool, and everybody want to get cool with the dudes that make moves like a motherfucking Bobby Lock. I'm speaking the truth like a cool pie. Open your minds like a drop the top. I never wanted the fame. All I wanted the prize. All I do is spit flame with Frank for being lame. Created my own lane. I parallel park my lyrical trainer flew in on a wham. Of a 747 boat wham. Yes, in fact, the blessed track, and that's word to Reverend King. But most times King get assassinated. I thought motherfuckers be glad I made it. Honestly, I'm really kind of glad you hated. It gave me the fuel that I need to proceed, level up. Yeah, bitch, I graduated. It slept on me like hibernation. That's all right. I shine more light than a night in Vegas. Lord, save my soul for what I'm about to do. Somewhere around heaven, my altitude. It's been so long since being inspired to feel my pain all through the wire and through these chords. And out your speaker, I was in KC, Kansas City, Chief. I'm in control, and they just decent. Know why they salty? Because it's my season. Let's go. I don't know if y'all meditate. We're just gonna meditate a little bit tonight. I got an album about to drop, so we're just gonna do this like this. Well, what do you know? Time froze as I rose from the cosmos. I drove through what seemed like light years. Shit light up on my fears. Holler at some beers that I ain't heard from in years. Politicking over beers, cheers. I'm well spacing out every years. From the bottom of my heart, I'm sincere. This is God's son. And I ain't talking, I see it. And I ain't Greg Mack, I spit that flavor in your ear. Intelligence was telling you to hit that fence when there's the slightest hint of turbulence upon the turf and shit. Word around the way is that you murking instrument. Tastes like a cold-hearted team of the embalming. Fluid the way you do it, it be like water, ain't nothing to it, it's worth of Bruce Lee. can see the universe. In the eyes of the brightest minds that'll never get to shine cause they're charged for a petty crime. Every nickel and dime from under that couch cushion allows anyone in the struggle to keep pushing. Yeah, these pennies, they covered in ashes from cigarillos, but they still spit like Benjis. I found my passion in rap, that found some enemies. All the while I'm just looking for inner peace. We all gassed up, I'm like shares and retweets. I'm just bound to be, soon you'll see the base of this rap shit.
It's shy, so you can get close.
It's LL217, Blessed Mom, nice to meet you. Vote for me.
Hot Cheetos and Takis. Hot Cheetos and Takis. I can't get enough of these hot Cheetos and Takis. Girl, my fingers
LOWISEGUYELLO. Instagram _Wazziello. Same thing. Follow me on SoundCloud. Bless my LO. It's all easy to look up. Go ahead.
Very well. Turn me up.
Shout out to my nigga Twitter. Spit much more. Yeah, okay. Check me out. Okay, it's everything. I'm president of Peppermint. That's why I got these hoes on call like the president. People get too arrogant. I show up at your resident with clips long at the late show. They be letting me. I'm better than my Illizem. Commanders in my medicine. Taking loud packs to the head like Cedric. I'm hotter than the devil's in. Somebody from the reverie. All the flow hella best. I'm tighter than the Craziac. I put this on my mama. Been a dollar since a dollar. Get money, my alma mater. Ballin' like Illizem. I'm a hoe go to college. And all my niggas is wild. So we be jumping in water. My niggas touching piranhas. All we do is smoke. I got money in mimic shots. It quick to go in your mouth like a motherfucking inside. Now occupation, your information is vital. Every manage your money like financial advisors. Diabolical. Shit, I spend this time before I get out with the stars. You would think I wasn't an astronomer. I say 1,000 this one. I see inside her. The trick out of this bitch and I fuck with cousin Veronica. I smoke, kill the bitch. I got this caught a murder case. Dick it down, put it to sleep and leave without a trace. Sip, serve, pop a water, kush, I percolate. I be smashing the verse. I kill a beat. I never hesitate. The bad hoes, I got those. Get straight like hot cones. Fuck around and shit. And missing like eating some nachos. Fuck bad bitches with bad cars and big condos. I be ballin' in the roof on the mark like a rondo. On the sciences, the money, my biology. Chronically, check my Facebook, it's my biography. You only live once, it might kill, but I'ma try the shit. Money up prerogative, my sweat looking astonishing. Oh, I'm start the beat, I gotta find a new anthem. Get to the money like a ransom. Damn son, the game is a bitch, she say I'm handsome. Trap steady, booming, hammer time propaganda. Racks in my pocket got me sagging. You know a nigga keep a lot of hoes like it's a fashion. Kush got me swagging, fly like a lady. Killing these niggas, headshot, close casket. Damn, why do these niggas gotta hate us? The only thing these bitch niggas missing is some makeup. Serving like a waiter, if you sleep, you better wake up in the kitchen with the work all night. Get your cake up. Damn, I couldn't have done shit without my mama. Sleeping on these niggas in the roof in my pajamas. Eat pretty like piranhas. The money, my persona. It's a celebration. Beat the beat like a pinata. I look back in the beat. Round two, gotta get it. Brand new day with a brand new mission. Standing at the top like who can fuck with me. But these niggas soft in the bitch like a whisper. Gotta pray to God.
What's up? It's your boy Token 2 Cups. I'm out here at Cali D's open mic. Last Monday open mic. Tele Oso's hosting. We got Madam Mims on the 1s and 2s, I think.
Yep.
Y'all should come check it out. The last Monday of every month. Why? Because I said so. Check it out.
You're on.
What's up? This is Illizem. I'm out here at this open mic, you know what I'm saying, at the Boiler Room. Shout out Right Round Productions, Cali D, everybody who's putting this, you know, on in the Triple D, you know what I mean? They give an opportunity for, you know, upcoming artists to spotlight themselves in front of, you know, people that they normally wouldn't be able to be around. So I do like, you know what I mean, what she's doing with Right Round Productions. Shout out.
It's the fucking party marathon too. We getting so wasted, we don't know what to do. We don't know what to do. It's a fucking party marathon too. We getting so fucked up, we don't know what to do. We don't know what to do. And I don't give a fuck like I'm a crack addict. Cause I just bounced in your cup so fast too. You be drinking shotgun cans, filling the sick in. Your bitch be winking, I'm thinking I should be Yeah. Alright, this next song called Goons. I need everybody to turn up with me in this bitch. Who likes lyricism? Make some noise. Come on. Showing up. Showing up. And I'm chilling, acting drunk as fuck. Drunk as fuck.
What's up, man? Show you what the difference is. Better yet, here's just what my difference is. You see, my content being a difference. Plus, you dig the way I give it. That's deliverance. Now list them out, pros and cons, weigh it out. My pros a ton, all you cons can't be won. I seen a lot of martial law with music, I ain't dumb. We numb, so we take shit. By me, I spit that great shit. Multi-person spirit, you can smoke or play on that shit. Think about it, intermission time. I murder keys on the beat, you call it twinkle twine. Right now you should realize that I ain't that well defined. Just like putting labels on me and then I hate to be confined. No lockdown. Let me loose, I can't take that. Homicide in my blood, fuck these chains, I'm trying to shake that. Give me free or give me y'all. Breaking in y'all backyard, disturbing all of y'all. What's up, man? Yeah. We good? Alright. So I do hip hop. Where my hip hop heads at, man? Who knows this beat right here? Who knows this shit right here? Reflection in turn. Look, street top going in. Turn it on the door and never should it up again. Reflect the eternal, listen, I'm giving them just the first 3 lines. Tell me, are you feeling him? Am I killing them? Different tip, yes. Do the slugs hit, even if they had a vest. Dealing with the best smiles, if you're satisfied. I'm the nut from the sex, only claim I'm magnified. Your legs are retired, I'm rusty in my stride. Break as I do it, I'm the scrap, say I glide. Taking in my ride, being careful of the routes. And I know my sketch is easy, so I will bang it down. Give the beat a slap, show who's the boss. Play the track, that was kids, they call me crisscross. Competition lost, they get tried, so it's lost. Check it out, nigga. I got endurance like a cross-country runner. I swing for the fence while these other niggas boners. I'm quiet like a hunter till I have to attack. I apologize for false well after the fact. You just have to prove that you're right and I'm wrong. Acknowledge you a minute, ever talk around a bone. Make another song about the things we discussed. So we'll come around so shit. Thank you so much. I'm plus, so give me the bill. And if y'all double team, like me, you get the steal. Make me a deal and retire. I'll suddenly take my next in the best. Disappear like a wasn't. Recognize a wasn't. Hype go this